Hello friends, welcome to the channel Howtodiscover. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix the problem of YouTube custom thumbnails not working, or the option of custom thumbnails when you are uploading the YouTube videos are not working. First of all, you have to open the YouTube Studio app and click on the video. You have to edit and click on the edit icon. There you can see the option of change. Click on it. If this option is not working, you have to first verify your account. YouTube might take your phone number or email to verify your account. After your account is verified, then you will be able to upload custom thumbnails on your YouTube videos. But still, after verification, if you can't be able to upload custom thumbnails on your videos, you have to open the Play Store app and search for YouTube. There you can see the option of open. If you can see the option of update there, you have to update first. After the update, you have to come back and open your mobile settings, and you have to go to the app management and open up the app list. Now you have to open the YouTube settings there and click on the storage and cache. There you can see the option of clear cache. Click on it, and now you have to come back. If still you can't be able to upload custom thumbnails on your YouTube videos, there is definitely a bug in your YouTube app, so you have to reinstall the YouTube app from the Play Store. In this way, you can fix the problem of YouTube custom thumbnail not working. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.